Hey folks, Handyman Chad. So check this out. I'm done that bathroom finally, and boy oh boy, what a beautiful piece of artwork that is. Pat myself on the back. Anyway, here we go. Check this out. Ready? The Reformed Bathroom by Chad. Like some sort of designer thing or something. No, just kidding. Check this out though. Really sick. Really sick. Really cool. Look here. Brand new bathroom, brand new shower. You can see all the floors done. All my baseboards are put in. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. Just look at this. All right. I turned and transformed this whole bathroom. Look at the new light, the new fan over here. Put a new fan, put the whole new shower in. This is all new. This is all new. This is all new right here. Boy, I love my job. Anyway, just remember, if any of you need any of this done to your home, contact me today and get your free estimate. www.handymanchadvt.com for more details.